Hello guys and welcome back. Today we will configure one arm sniffer on Fortigate. So the one arm sniffer is like ITS. It's an intrusion detection system. So we will configure it on the physical interface, and the interface does not deny or block or otherwise influence the traffic. So let us see how we can do it. Let's come to our Cisco switch. So we will configure and we will monitor on the Cisco switch this interface as a source and both receive, and this one as a destination. So let us check how we can configure it. Monitor session 1 source interface internet 0/2, and we want to configure it as a port. We need to monitor received and transmitted traffic. So we will call it port. Again, we will configure a destination. Destination interface internet will be our port facing the FortiGate. So it will be 0/0. This is how to configure the monitoring session. So let us save. Say do show run. Verify our configuration. So we have configured this port as port, receive and transmit the traffic. So let's come to our Fortigate device. Admin. Port 1. Allow HTTP and ping and SSH. And show system interface. So this is our IP address. Let us access the GUI. Let's go to the interfaces. So you will come on our port 2. We will double click it. And here we have the One Arm Sniffer. And we will enable the security profiles. And we will allow all sessions. If you want to filter a specific host name or a port or a VLAN, you can do it here. So let us click OK. Now we have configured on the Fortigate One Arm Sniffer. Let us turn on our Windows PC. I will pause the video to save a time. So let us continue configuring the One Arm Sniffer. I have turned on my PC. Let us check if we have a network and we can be in the Google server. Yes. So let's come back to our Fortigate portal. We are using the limited image, so it has limited functionality and resource. So we have configured port 2, which is this port, as a one arm sniffer. So let's come to port 2. You can capture the process here, and we can, it will take a time if we go to the sniffer traffic. So let us access, click play. Let us go to our Google Chrome. So this is our Google Chrome. Let us search for Facebook. Let us come here. As you can see, it's capturing the process here. We go on here, it will take time to show up sniffer traffic. It will take time. So let us access the Yahoo. There's one more thing. You can download from clicking here the capturing process, and you can analyze it on using Wireshark. So as you can see here, we can do one thing and click on the Yahoo Mail. So you can download the bucket. You can analyze it here. So you can see this is our public IP address. This is the IP address of the PC that we are using it. So you can analyze it here. We have pinged the Google server, so you can see here. So this is how to configure the One Sniffer arm by configuring on the switch the monitor session. We have configured these two configuration on the switch. So thank you guys. This is how to configure the One Arm Sniffer on Fortigate.